There are steps you can take today to prepare for cyber attacks tomorrow. Cayosoft offers Guardian Forest Recovery, part of a complete Active Directory management and security solution. But how does Cayosoft stack up against the competition? More generalized backup and recovery solutions can take days for full AD recovery. And Active Directory-focused recovery solutions will take at minimum hours to complete. Cayosoft can ensure that your organization will be back up and running in a matter of minutes, giving you recovery assurance when you need it most. Competitors run a real risk of recovery failure. The entire AD recovery process isn't tested frequently enough. There are too many changes between backups, and they require you to rebuild or have clean servers available in order to recover. With Cayosoft, your AD is backed up, tested, and recovered every single day. Cayosoft Standby Forest allows you to recover as easy as clicking a button. If you're waiting until after an attack has happened to think about recovery, you're already too late. That's why Cayosoft acts as your recovery insurance, setting plans in motion before, during, and after an attack to give you the best possible advantage. Cayosoft, your complete solution to manage, monitor, and recover AD, Azure AD, Office 365, and beyond.